What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Dappradar, also known as Radar. And as you guys can see, huge green candlesticks can only mean one thing guys. It has pumped up over 100% in the last 24 hours, currently sitting up just above 3 cents. So we're going to be going through, again, it hasn't just pumped in the last 24 hours but in the last couple of days. So we are going to be looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it just time to hold on to it? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market has taken a little dip today, as you can see, just above 3% down. But we do have Dappradar as one of the top gainers, gaining over 130% in the last hour. It has taken half a percentage dip, doesn't matter anyway. Over the last day, 131% up. Over the week, 407% up, guys, in a single week. And again, it all started about on Monday, so which was about 24 to 48 hours ago. As you can see, that's when it all started to pump up in value. So essentially gained over 400% in the space of 2 days, guys, going from about not even 1 cent all the way up to, let's have a look, the highest it's been was nearly hitting 4 cents, guys, nearly going at 500%, and over the month it is 320% up. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by over 240% in the last 24 hours, making it $7 million in trading, which is again a huge amount of percentage increase. And there's no doubt that this percentage and the trading volume is likely to go up over the coming hours as more and more people start to trade the crypto. More people see the pump. There are going to be a lot of buyers as well as a lot of sellers, hence why the trading volume is likely to go up in the coming hours as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the moment, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Dappradar, which is here at just about 1 cent. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at above 3 cents, nearly hitting 4 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have? We do have the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they are looking way too steep, guys, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting it to take a slight dip in value down to about 3 cents over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, I am expecting that Dappradar to drop down to 3 cents in target. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping. It is likely to pump even higher over the coming couple of hours, about 4 to 5 cents target, and then slowly start to drop down to around 3 cents towards the end of the day today. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking very bullish, very steep, meaning once again it is not realistic. So over the coming days, even though yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Dappradar, I'm not expecting a major pump or a major increase. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting Dappradar to be trading around the 6 cents target. Again, it may seem like a major increase from where it is sitting at the moment. However, the way it's been performing over the last couple of days is absolutely crazy. So yes, I'm expecting it to drop down in value and then slowly start to gain value. So around to 5 to 6 cents by mid next week is what my expectations are as of right now. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is, and yeah, things could change, but I will of course keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, as much as I can and as soon as I can, if there are any major updates that can have a potential impact not just on Dappradar but the crypto market in general. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, guys, we are looking very bullish, very steep, meaning once again it is not realistic. Exact same reason applies here. As you guys can see, the last 3 days it's been going in a very steep direction and looks like it is going to go through more increases in value over the coming days. However, there is going to be a point where it's going to drop down in value potentially over the next week or two. It is likely to drop down in value, go through quite of a dip before it slowly starts to gain value. So potentially over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I would say mid to late April 2023, guys, we should be seeing Dappradar trading around the 10 cents target, depending on if it manages to maintain its current pumps. Then yes, it could hit the 10 cents target over the next approximately 2 months. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs in general as well. But yes, so far so good for Dappradar. Unless you're in it for the short term, then personally I wouldn't go for it, because as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to drop back down in value and then gain value over the coming days. But again, short term traders is risky anyway, and I don't do that. I'm always into long term when it comes to cryptocurrency, because it is a very volatile market. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, we have literally broken out in a space of about 2-3 days. We've broken out from the red zone all the way up to the top tail level here, and we are trading at its not highest but somewhat highest over the last couple of years, as you can see, since last year, even 2022. And we've dropped all the way down to the red zone, and right now we've literally broken out from the red zone, green zone, dark green zone, blue zone, and we are at the top here. And that shows you an indication that it's been, is overvalued at the moment and is likely to take a little drop over the coming days back down into the green zone somewhere around here, as I mentioned earlier. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Radar, guys. Let me know, when do you guys expect this crypto to hit 10 cents? Is it in the coming hours, days, weeks, months, whatever it is? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.